Welcome to Scarborough Law, LLC. Our mission is simple: serve our clients well. That means we're a different kind of law firm. Our team members are encouraged to treat our clients as they would their own families, and maybe better.
Today we want to talk to you about your college age or your nest fleeing children. When your child turns 18, they're considered an adult under the laws of the land. In our hearts and absolutely in our wallets, we don't see them that way. But the law sees them that way, which means some of those responsibilities that you're used to having for their healthcare decisions and their bank accounts and their credit cards and everything that they may carry with them, you're used to having those decisions. That's gone now. Once they turn 18, they're adults under the law, and you no longer have the right to control their health care and their finances. So what can we do to prepare? With that in mind, I want to tell you about 3 important documents. Number 1, an advanced health care directive for your child, in case your child is incapacitated. Number 2, a health insurance portability and accountability act authorization form that gives you authorization to their private healthcare data should they become incapacitated. And then number 3 is a durable power of attorney for finances and their property. When your child turns 18, you will not have the authority to make healthcare decisions should they become incapacitated. The durable power of attorney is going to assist you with that. It's going to give you the authority to go into the hospital when your child is incapacitated or if they meet with an accident and make those critical healthcare decisions that we all are accustomed to making for our children. The Health Insurance Portability Act, HIPAA, we all sign those waivers whenever we go to the doctors. We sign a notice saying that our healthcare information will be held private. This also applies to your adult child. So what you're going to want to make sure of is you sign that HIPAA waiver so that you have the authority, or a close relative has the authority, to access that important medical information. Without it, the doctors will not give you information on your adult child because they don't have the authority to do so. The final thing is the durable power of attorney for finances. If your child is incapacitated or even in the hospital for a long period of time and unable to act on their own behalf, you need to have access to their bank accounts, to their rent payment, to write rent checks for them. You have to pay their utility bills. You might even have to go to the Department of Motor Vehicles and transfer their car title, for instance, or do something related to their car registration. So having these 3 documents are kind of the cornerstones of setting your child free and making sure at the same time that you can still take care of them and still reach back. Now, many of us, our children are going to say, I don't want to give up that control because I just finally got control of my own life. And that's okay. All of these documents allow for specific notices saying that they don't come into play and they're not active until and unless your child becomes incapacitated. So they still get their freedom and they still get the power that they've so long desired, but at the same time you can still protect them should you need to. So it's extremely important that you get these documents in place before they head out in August to college or they flee your nest. So if you'd like to learn more about getting started on this task and getting these important documents in place, please give us a call because we would love to help.